Hey guys, so we got a 2005 Toyota Hiace in today for a Android version 6 head unit install. So he just opted for a HD reverse camera as well. So it's a long wheelbase type Hiace, so we've had to extend a couple cables just to get the camera up the back here. So we'll just jump in and show you all how it looks and works. So it's a 9-inch touch display, so the Android version 6. So as you can see there, so just going back here, so we got the home screen, the user interface, so you got your navigation, music. So inside there, that's where you can access the built-in music, USB or USB 2. Then you can favoritize all your music as well if you want. You got your main AM FM radio along with all your presets down the bottom here. Application page. So on your app page, you just got video, radio, system settings, and a whole bunch of built-in applications that come on the unit. Then through there, you can go onto your Google Play Store as well and download whatever you do want. So you got system settings. So inside system settings is where you can go through all your Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth, general settings of the unit, display, audio, so you can turn the beep function on and off if you want to as well. So you got video. So video is similar to your music option, USB 1, USB 2. It allows video playback through the USB cables. You got your Google Chrome browser, AUX in, AVM. So if you go for the 360 option, this is how you access your 360 camera. Sound effects, which is your built-in equalizer or DSP. That's how you just fade all your speakers if you want to. DTS, so your different sound modes, built-in crossovers, then your speaker delays. So we'll just go back to the Apple CarPlay. So inside this screen, you've got Apple CarPlay with this little icon down here. If you want to get to your Android Auto, you just press this and tap this one. So once you're on this page, you just want to open up your phone Bluetooth, find SPDBT, then you get your pair request, confirm. So as you can see now, we're connected to the iPhone. You get a pop-up on your phone that will say use CarPlay. Just make sure you press that. That's it. So now from here, you got all your navigation, your built-in music off your phone through Spotify or whichever app you use on your phone. So phone calls, navigation, text messages, whichever apps you have on your phone that will work through CarPlay will pop up on your screen for you. And again, so if you want to get to your application page quickly, you just press this bottom icon here. So you've got your DAB as well. The DAB antenna just mounted up here. So stacks of DAB stations that you can choose from. Then depending on your location, if you press rescan, so the little search button here, if you press that one, it'll pick up different stations depending on where you are. So we'll just turn the car on now as well and show you the reverse camera. So yeah, nice and clear camera. That's it. Then also, so when we turn the headlights on, you can see the side buttons actually light up as well. Then I'll show you all how to change the actual color of that as well. So you just want to go into system settings, general, scroll down to the bottom, key light color, and you can choose all your different color options. Yeah, that's about it guys, cheers.